you ever wondered why patent registration or getting a patent grant is really slow in India? Let me share you a real-time story of one of my clients. One of my clients got a patent hearing in the year 2014 and within 6 months we got the grant for it. But do you know this application was filed in the year 2014 and this patent was actually a 4th year project of the client when he was studying as 4th year engineering graduate. At that time, he filed his application, but after 10 years he got the grant. He was telling me that if only I could get this grant by 2016, I could have started my own venture. Today I'm working somewhere else for another company, but I would have started my own company, but it took so long. Realizing this patent registration process is really long in India, even government made an intervention and they also started up speeding up this process. In this video, we are going to see about why the patent get delays and how it is easier for you to get a patent grant within 18 months. I'm going to reveal the secrets. Like this, more useful videos will be posted in our channel, so kindly subscribe to our channel. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Lee Intelligentsia Law Firm. First, let's explore why the patent registration process was really slow before 2020. Whenever an inventor files his complete specification, his application should be posted in journal, but that will take a long period of time if government itself has to initiate the publication. And once the publication is made in patent journal, it takes 18 months to finish the publication, and after that the inventor has to file a request for examination. Remember, in a patent application, government will not suo moto take your application and examine. The inventor has to apply for an examination, only then it will be examined. And the form for examination was Form 18. Once you file this examination form, it takes 4 years for the application to get the first examination report. The reason for this was, in Indian government patent registry, there was a lack of patent examiner and lack of patent expertise who could examine a particular patent. So on an average, for a patent to get granted, it took 8 years. The greatest disadvantage for this long time is because when an invention is invented, for example 2014, by 2015 or 16, it should have got a grant. If it's getting more delayed than that, there will be an advancement in the product. There will be an advancement in the industry itself. Today we are speaking about AI revolution, so every day new updates is coming. For an entrepreneur to use his patent to start a business, he should be getting a grant within 2 years. Realizing this, in 2016, government gave a very good remedy. Now we are going to talk about what was the initiatives taken by the government from 2016. In 2016, there was a patent amendment passed under Rule 24C of the Patents Act. In this, any startup company which files a patent can utilize this provision of filing an expedite examination and can get their first examination report within 2 to 3 months of filing this Form 18A. This provision was available for only startups in 2016. In 2019, government also expanded this category whereby including companies which is registered under MSME, any companies which is run by government or any establishment which was taken over by government or any inventor filing PCT can also avail this Form 18A to get their application expeditely examined. If you want to avail this expedite examination, first you have to file Form 18A. Not only that, along with this form, you have to submit a startup certificate which is given by DPIIT. Or if you are a small entity, you have to submit along with MSME. In this way, the supportive documents have to be submitted along with 18A to avail this provision. So when this was the case in 2019, in 2021, they also gave a provision where if your application has a female inventor as an applicant, you can also avail the expedite examination provision. In 2022, there were many patentors and companies starting to avail this provision to get their application expeditely examined. So this speeding up of process ensured that a patent grant can be given within 18 months, which we have also gifted to our clients, whereby colleges in Bangalore, colleges in Manipur are our clients, and to those clients who are filing the patents, we have taken a grant for them within 18 months so that they could realize their dream of getting a fund or establishing their industry. Using the speeding up process, how much benefit you're going to get, let me explain you. The first benefit is, in the previous process, first examination report took 4 years of time. In the current process, within 4 months, you can get the first examination report. Previously, a patent grant took 8 to 10 years. Nowadays, you can get the patent grant within 18 to 24 months. The benefit of the speedy process is you can get a grant or funds from the investor so easily. Secondly, you can license the patent or you can commercialize your patent by starting a company. Thirdly, you can reduce the risk of being copied or being duplicated by any other competitors. Lastly, in a short period of time, you can start your own company, build a value and trust in the market, and scale up your company on a large scale. If you are an innovator or a startup company who would like to protect your patent, or who would like to avail the speedy process for your patent, do not forget to reach out to us for a consultation. Let's protect your patent in a smarter way. If you have any doubts in filing your patents, kindly post it in the comment box. We are here to help you. Myself, Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Lee Intelligentsia Law Firm.